Managing the sheet index. Whenever we manage the sheet index, that will allow us to fill out our title block integration for the route, district, county, job number, or whichever fields that I want for the title block integration. If you go over to the sheet index tab over here underneath the Explorer, and as long as you have it open, you should have this icon right here that says Manage Sheet Index. And whenever you click on that, this will bring up that dialog box. And you have three different tabs over here to the side. You have Index, Folder, and Sheet. The one that we will concentrate on is the index. And you'll notice that you have some different index properties here for your bridge number, your contract ID, and whichever fields. And these fields right here are actually tied to text fields that are inside the sheet. So now if I come through here, if I go ahead and fill this out, let's say we don't have a bridge number, we don't have a contract ID, we have the county, and we'll do the district, job number, and the project number, we're not going to worry about, and the route, let's just say it's Route 54. Now you'll notice that some of these are in lowercase. It does not matter if they're upper or lowercase because we have it set to where whenever it fills this information out, it will automatically be all uppercase. So whenever you fill it out in here, it really doesn't matter. You also have some options down below here, and you shouldn't have to tweak any of these, but this allows you to do the automatic naming of the sheets, which is this field right here. Of course, we want that on. What you want incremented, where you want to start at, so you could actually start at a different spot if you have different folders. Say in your sheet index you had separate folders for your plan sheets, you had separate folders for your traffic control sheets, your erosion control sheets. Well, that's where you could come in there and possibly change that to a different starting point. That's what that would be used for. Same thing for the folder, what increments that you want for it. Do you want to inherit the naming rule from the parent, and some other options underneath there. But for the most part, you shouldn't have to tweak any of those. The sheet, don't worry about that portion of it. The main thing is in the index, you want to fill out this information for your title block. And once you have that, go ahead and click on OK. And now that is set. Now nothing has changed over here because we haven't added that to the sheet index yet. We will talk about that in the next video where we will add sheets, we'll add certain folders, and so forth to add to the sheet index. So that's kind of the managed sheet index and what you need to do to get that set up for your title block integration.